Yo, Ghana for you want English approach my muha. Ya sweaty. Yenya emrenim fo a when akwatare wo emrenim a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumiyem for immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Fortwell Solicitors emrenim akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa kan wo krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa setena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia na de enika wo mu mpone se no consultation fee.
Fortwell Solicitors always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad. Fortwell Solicitors also deals with long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Fortwell Solicitors is located at
Unit 1, ground floor, Katrina House, 58 Clarendon Road, London, N80DJ. Nearest tube station, Tempark Lane and Wood Green. Overground, Hornsey Station. Buses, 41 to Archway and 144 to Maswa Hill. For more info, call 0203 3257 030. Call our 24-hour line on 0754 8701 011. Website www.fortwellsolicitors.com.
Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30 p.m.
Thursday Beyonce Young Milton Keynes.
Fortwell Solicitors is regulated by SRA.
Fortwell Solicitors.
Fortwell Solicitors, lawyer Dan Quell, ebe twetwe eye enkomo efa eye immigration insensemo. Lawyer, yemo wachi akwa banso eba GN Radio UK so. MC ebe enche lawyer you ready nti yebe kɔ ne nkyɛn na yebisa na ekwan so na ya mana kwa aba
yo virtual teamka
meti won kapa lawyer
all right anapa we there I had the boko say dia o kan ye no na updates kakra a wo ho no ma enne nyame ya ado amepese me de ebe to edwa. One of the Home Office why a lot of announcements regarding COVID-19 travel. Omo mobile chrome has say CCA Oba Oma publish a form via SA will complete his form no and sana we do chrome has say o complete form na it means say omo tries or omo bedding omo ebe quarantine and now you need to stay indoors or be our address will be provided at least for 14 days and sana waiting me join the general population internet only one major thing amount for need to be aware and sir announcements where apply to or more visitors visa for mobile UK residents. I'm going to back to the UK. This will apply to them. There are a few people are exempted from some measures. Some of the people are exempted. Lorry drivers, medical profession, my diplomatic missions. Chrome has said, all those people have been exempted from it. Apart from that, apart from some announcements, Home Office also I hear a few other announcements in the course of the weeks. Now we need no mono and Nyame Adoma yebe bobo so ebia ebeboa ebimo ebio so my announcement, but policy guidance a kahono enya emba back and also munya and publish it and no yet. One of the major announcements are buying a year, was the fact say CCR uye ejumama NHS and I say uye ejumama any independent social care provider ubetimi enya 1 year visa extension and as a 1 year residence permit extension for free. You don't have to do anything. Now, so announcement to be a buy, nyama na eka ho na kyerɛ sɛ people will have to contact their employers. More employers they say a contact home office for now home office for days with the extension and more. We were discussing the practicalities of it as to whether say employers will be prepared and happy say or may yes our application ama of more employees and now say then but it is an announcement that they've made obviously or be a person taking advantage of will have to contact the employer to discuss the possibilities to say the employer and me abuano no yes application if na wenya 1 year free extension. Another thing on swap I know, so they say home office for a year announcement to be regarding the fact say uye ejumama NHS and I say or health sector now. It may be possible say ubenya we into your health sector. Okay. So announcement in buy and in bebree afre we say oh na my announcement how do I benefit from it. I must add say we have checked with the Home Office. They are yet to publish any guidelines as to how that is going to be. They are yet to publish anything that they will be able to benefit from. And also, as much as Home Office for ISR announcement, say uye jumama NHS, uye jumama we independent social care provider be await me as a health surcharge. My advice would be say if you are due to make any application or renewal and sell, you make the payment, submit the application, and then in later time, let's see how we can apply for refund on your behalf. Now, so what's now say, oh, Home Office for say obuye bibi say into the me ama take advantage of it and say be one na aqua affected with visa. It's very, very, very important for people to understand in these times, announcements, almost week in, week out. Home Office for a year one way, one announcement or the other. But it's important for people to realize that announcement, any implementation, two different things. On which may announcement, but for them to bring the policy framework, how may implement this announcement, it may take time. If announcements in a year, not still no time associates or renew visa, just go ahead. Make the payment, do whatever. If time no sooner as a refund due or no you are due, you can make that application for a refund. I must also another important update by the fact say Court of Appeal and make announcement and as well make judgments be regarding no recourse to public funds. They made a position statement say aspects of it unlawful. What this means is over the past few weeks, we've been talking about the fact says no recourse to public funds and who abeye assembly which is going on, and it's good. It's good say the Court of Appeal has also made a judgment on this case regarding the unlawfulness of SAR policy for have been struggling with. And I tell people say during this COVID-19 crisis, in Crawford they have financial difficulties. Their best option is say on application for either fee waiver and as on application. Na no recourse to public funds and a fee or monkrata. So, but we realize that Nkrofu have come forward. Some we get application for no recourse to public funds to be taken off or monkrata. But we keep on seeing say in Nkrofu so some basic things we were they are not getting right, and as they have not put their finances in order, and because of that, they are struggling to benefit from some application. No recourse to public funds if you or more way. So most people you realize say if you are now or say oh Nejuma sem aye pasa. However, no on ne partner be and as be to the bank account and as savings be baby. If you are crampana sika no beka chose sika na nye media bia me nua bi na dia ma me say me fan to me account and as and people need to understand say a due time our person will year application Now we use our no recourse to public funds if you crack as well. Home Office phone will investigate any account that is in your name. Into no, obi say, oh, me were 2-3 bank accounts, me see Canada, bank account, me savings accounts, me buy me current accounts, and then a barber chair for sa application. It doesn't work like that. Even Home Office phone a request for any member of your household bank statement. Into no, so only ukunu and now only we and a tifie na or tifie ho no address efa fie ho nko it is expected says a wo year application now where you say no recourse to public funds and if you won't crack also you will bring sandy panel bank statements. If that person is not willing say obey disclose the content of the bank statement to you and I say you are not willing to disclose it yourself, then understand they say it is going to cause problems for you. Until something that people need to pay attention on. And I have also realized, apart from the fact that Home Office for a budget for partners, a bank statement, they also request for applicants name bank statement. Into so on kwala na ebia woje say oh mo sika but me the sika na koto me bank account mo into the year application now they will not request for it. I'm telling you, that's not how it works. They are going to request for SAR statements to go through it as well. Into the people need to pay attention before the application for SAR no recourse to public funds. And put your things together because your basically will expend this expenses, will expenditure, and will income over the past 6 months. Based on that information, in our Home Office, when we decided, say, on the SAR no recourse to public funds, if you so and also on the better so. The good news is based on the recent court judgments in our there are a number of people are previously now common qualify say are no recourse to public funds and if you so and now they will be able to qualify even if ABA or Sikaka Crown accounting. However, at this present time, ABA yet not to follow scheme, so into the income has been affected. And now so say ABA or self-employed and based on the fact say or lockdown on TV, it does not even matter say ABS, our government self-employed grants normal man yeah the BB account there's a huge lump sum at the good account if this asset can be good based on the fact that buying this asset can be good savings in the it is possible say so no you can take advantage of some application and remove no recourse to public funds if he won't crack also. I must warn people say in as much as obetimi a year application now we no recourse to public funds and if it won't crack also there is also an effect that it can have on the fact say we what 10-year route and now 5-year route to indefinitely to remain. So when they be a program we saw yen say Bebre are onward 2.5 years. Chrome has said they are either put on 5-year route or 10-year route. For you to be put on the 5-year route, there's an expectation say you should meet some minimum income threshold. You say you are earning 18,600 for the past 6 months. You may be threshold. However, if you are planning, say, you no recourse to public funds, and if you uncrat as well, it may affect route now or no. The good thing is, as at yesterday, Home Office for published a few changes. For instance, Obia all year application so that over 5-year route, so our own meet is our income threshold, because of COVID-19 crisis, maybe out of fellow scheme over 80% of the salary instead of 100%. What the Home Office is saying is they will take into effect, say, the amount of money now would before they will to follow scheme. We are self-employed now. We've been affected by our fellow scheme. So they will not consider that period, the past 3-4 months, not to consider income. And today, I know a very, very important point that people need to understand. He's been thinking, say, obey application under the 5-year route, but because he's been affected, the announcement will benefit those people. Until there were no recourse to public funds for person we fee in year what almost person we application going forward, but they've been affected by crisis and almost there's a lot of leeway a war normal they can take advantage of. Me advice to people and say whatever your circumstance, but more than speak to a legal advisor, somebody who is qualified, who can assist you to help you with your particular case. I will know it in your church where a benefit and your application without the current crisis and affected application.
You better was a power in some of what church you. Now, lawyer, what 5 years no? A brand be say, ne, when you're in Crata, no, no, dear, buy and see, no more than 1 year. Now, I don't know, Ninja Muche say,
well, a brand here now or more man 1 year, no, there's a number of things that could have happened. Most people are year application under the EU regulations. Okay, that is EU for ne omebusia for no. Most of them are being given 1 year. The reason why they are more 1 year and they say more up to the time a UK is expected to say fee EU anymore. Okay, so we year application we say CCI or transition period for 18-year application using EU regulations, that's EU regulation 2016. The application echo to use old regulations, and every month 18-year application under the settled scheme, and I say we work as a pre-settled status. Okay, so we year application under settled status now, then it is likely said you will go straight to with 5 years without any problem. But a bit more honoma still no almost so a year or more application using the old system. It's number fill form old system, number fill long form, be a few pages of form. Now the application document, then I will post the edit alcohol. At the time, because there's a transition period, there was an advantage to that because they be more not too sure as to whether say EU fee UK fee EU without any dealer on being right of appeal and also munya right of appeal. So for such people, it was important for them to maintain the old system near the application. It is only use old system but yes, our old system application here granted or the decision is granted crown pona home office one be mount 1 year up to the time at UK EU anymore. Then more than that. Until what you need to do is after your mouse 1 year so you need to go ahead and then now apply for pre-settled status and no nebe 5 years, very very important. So when you have 5 years now, then you are okay into obia 1 year application under EU old system and our old scheme now your man 1 year. It is important say obey taking the next step say obey another application now when you're a pre-settled status. The good thing is at the moment, the Home Office have accepted, say indeed you're a family member of an EU national, more this decision amount, which is 1 year. Into the 1 year pre-settled status application now, and ensure that any complicated because they've already accepted your status or your family member. It's a money here very simple and straightforward.
I don't know. About 1 year no ewu say 1 year ni winner na wa apply.
I would strongly recommend say Ben train Emma 1 year in do and send away application. However, no say we will be witness for a very long time. Me any application via na nyame ayewa dom na witness application for the first time. Home Office for abroad biometric cards and Jennifer Juma. It is important so we pay Juma be and send our send the application for IDEN because all the application we send the documents, passports, or biometric card Home Office for. So it's very, 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 very important say be a winner sad decision, everything go ahead year application and send a 1 year also. But Bent not say and because my application number my sons and their those and they take a few months, it take you up to 6 months sometimes and son Home Office for a decision. Until there's a crowd and about the page you may be na year. O start now near Juma every year at least into your bank account, which me call Joe NI, which me here the necessary step, initial steps are waiting to take it to make sure say when you have enough document to show say who Chrome has say. Oh yes, I need money we pay myself as for biometric in a faculty to na application for pre-settled status because and no in a bear valid for 5 years. Very important with me above now they are here unyama person or the year
not just say no say me tie we and no yeah the money per krona is he or she is still going to be given the 5 years and not indefinite.
Debbie. You see, indefinite, and I say, yeah, friend, at the moment, your friend is settled status. Okay. Indefinite, yeah, you have lived in the UK for a period of 5 years. Okay. And I say, we're living in accordance with the regulations for at least 5 years.
Which is us. Which is us at the time I did 1 year and a month. It will start counting from there, and I say it will start counting
from. Okay. It will start counting from the time I'm 1 year and a month. Okay. It will not count from the time I'll be pre-settled status in 5 years. Okay. It will count from the time I'm 1 year and a month. From that time onwards, you can take advantage of it.
Oh, okay, yo. Lawyer, yentie a voice note a abrantia wuti ascend ya bray na ye namani mwa ya mame.
Good morning, Lawyer Dan Quay. The Masine Juma Mobo and Ghana community.
Oh, I'm saying, cut down, Kakra.
Yami own shram or Yamukasi.
Okay, lawyer.
No question, you know.
Okay,
your first question is
sir, and my sambo ni bimna lawyer into me NTA.
Okay.
Hello. Good morning, Mr. Host. Good morning, Lawyer Dan Quay. The Masine Juma Mobo and Ghana community during this pandemic. Yami own shram or Yamukasi. But your question, you know. But your first question is me extended family member, my resident card last year and nine. I apply for settlement scheme, but 5 months ni menya decision. Number two, my question is me lady be awo na kwani ye British. Na lady na senta wantaka claim da kwani me na owo me hono ma me hwɛ ni bibia. Number two, resident card they could make me apply for child benefit and as child tax amount na that's the question. Pacho, so make me apply mana and affect me future indefinite and may as a British citizens. And Yamana made the benefit to me. But I'm sorry, also a British to qualify for child benefit and child tax credit. And some Kodia infect me history same idea Mexica. Question 2. Pacho say me renew me settlement me renew for indefinite now. Pacho na me dependent extended family member. No. Maybe bank account to me national or transfer to the many part time I didn't be a may by you know I was naked to work. To me, my scan I don't scan before on a man. Now make my application now. If you see for no boo say me kwaya adwuma and the farm one I said was me national scan the first account maybe account from me ame ho. Pacho me who confusion kakra. That's
lawyer, but you say what year they are abranti ni bisa no. So first no person ohun etie.
Say line movie was very faint, but you bet me repeat ya man ke be me there.
First no person ohun say owo akora wone nete ne maame center wantawa kakra bi aba wo muntemti akora no ne nete. Na obesu akora na British citizen. No obesu ohun say obesu okoji tax credit ne yano mu sika kakra credit man krai o si affect ono papa no de.
You see, if one obi eti okay na ento abantem na ono bema na one akola ne tisisia no conditioner a war ne biometric card no so say no recourse to public funds. Okay, then it will not be possible say or no ever call forward say or yesa application or akwaji sign money because already Oma catcher and say he's got no access to public funds. And then I make extreme earlier on in the program say based on recent Court of Appeal decision, and based on Home Office workers guidance omodiaba ever no recourse to public funds. The right process and answer the right procedure as a Bema no ever soon say obey application at home office. Na obey sa no recourse to public funds and if in krata no so. Yi sa condition if in krata no so area, then he's got every right, every opportunity, any way benefit biya or you're entitled to biya no. He then now qualifies for it. Obey apply for housing benefits, obey apply for child tax credit, whatever he's entitled for, no obey me agent. But without taking no recourse to public fund condition, if in a then it's going to be very difficult because as soon as we application, the baby south said, what type of immigration status do you have in the UK? You need to explain it. You need to send a copy to it. Or when you have no recourse to public funds and they will say, no, you don't qualify. That will be the difficult. And yes, a bad affecting anyway. When the benefits in the ground, so or kind of crank one there, any idea the man. And so one kind of crank so then it can affect in the future application or by alcohol home office. This is something that he needs to weigh in. Best procedure, GSA condition if you got also nakwaje benefits.
Yo, lawyer, my making kind. Abranti nso ne message or the aba. But before then, my may announce your phone lines no. Studio lines near 020 3735 8820 and I say 020 3886 0185. Your WhatsApp line and so 077 87939958. Abranti I send a message and I'm say we say or share crash still. Now also who say I say good morning to you all. If you are on the 5-year route and have been granted your indefinite leave to remain, when are you able to apply for citizenship?
Okay, straightforward, but a little bit complicated because of recent changes at Home Office for a year regarding guidance to naturalization. Okay, so 5-year route, now recently amount indefinite leave to remain. The best time and I said the appropriate time I'll bet me I qualify for naturalization 1 year after we indefinite leave to remain. Straightforward. We should be able to qualify. But go into details, that is where Rebecca said the devil is in the details. And what it means in it say so details are will be a friend of good character requirements. Okay. So good character requirements, until just a few years ago, where 3-4 years ago, it was not too much of a complicated issue. But now, based on changes on my end, almost say who I have say illegally at any point in time. That means it said during that period, now we need good character. That's fact, ever affected time. I'll wait to me. I hear
lawyer to what who I have say illegally, and not just say you don't have a good character.
You don't have a good character. That means good character requirements in actual. Obia or 5 years or and now so be indefinite. It depends whether or the visa in a fee Ghana eba kromuha. Wama visa name and sana or twice popping 5 years. And now so say na or waha say and sana onyan initial krata not or illegal. The answer will vary depending on the situation. If wo fi Ghana oje 2.5 years visa na fi Ghana na buy buy na fi obeji another 2.5 years e wo krom ha say na fi wa benya we indefinite 1 year after we nya we indefinite no ultimately qualify for naturalization. However, the visitors visa in a fi Ghana in a buy in our buy no visitors visa ni ewu ye na obetine mu a na nyame ye wadom na fi okoshi obi na ware no anase oni obi ekowo ye na sisi a wafa so na odi nya krata na unya na switch call 5-year route na fancy na wabenya within depth. Then you have to wait 10 years from time unya wo first initial leave and sana wait me I qualify for naturalization. And no in a difference in a war no the good character requirements very 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 important. So you take notice of that aspect.
But Obi say lawyer, is it not too extreme? Say with a good character, Obi 1 year, then the person can switch to a year citizenship. Now, when you good character, 10 years, is it not too much?
You see, yeah, Utremwa, yeah, Rebecca said extreme. I perfectly agree with the fact that I believe say it's unfair. So Rebecca should be based on the simple fact say now only in Krata, the person has to wait for 10 years and sana. But unfortunately for us, that position has not been challenged yet. Okay, the lawfulness of that decision and answer that requirement, is yet to be challenged. And, I believe, say, with time, as people challenge it and it goes through the courts, it might be reversed. But until somebody comes forward and says, say, me person me challenges our position, this is what we have at this stage. That quite is say, sir, no recourse to public funds. Knew said no recourse to public funds was not the best way, and how they were dealing with it, was not the best way. But until recently, the Ghanaian woman and the child making an application to challenge the lawfulness of it, the court have agreed say any lawful. We have to live with it. We are lawyers are all right. Sometimes in opposition, you or normal home office want to be make that we know say it doesn't make sense, it's not right. But it is up to people to come forward and say, lawyer, me person will challenge this decision. And I say me person will say before we can help the person to challenge it and then make sure say that is overturned.
Yo, lawyer, your Facebook and one more about Facebook no. Yemo munyina akwaba nana ajiman yemo akwaba nana bob yemo akwaba sanso and Frank and so yemo akwaba. Frank say good morning. I say please, when is passport office start working and when are they going to start work? Thank you. So opeso busa say Ghana High Commission for no da be na womo ebeye almost start age. I'm say BB say middle of July ho baby.
With the passport office did and as a Ghana High Commission, my advice is more visit your website from time to time. We are sure say year ready, so be BA per obetimi be announced on website, so any more social media platforms, so and then people can take advantage of it. I must add, say, in this current crisis, I want if you are looking forward to be application. Now, based on that application, we have passport so be submitted. But if you now want to me encourage new passport because passport office is closed up, any problem, you can explain yourself and you can proceed with the application without a passport. Home Office for a lot of concessions because of the COVID-19 crisis. Concessions need be a 70 annual passport because High Commission is closed. Concessions need maybe I won't mean your letter being few employer or because maybe your employer is closed and you don't have access to your employer to bring those documents. Maybe pay slips. Evening can be on proper. They are being very, very lenient at this period of time. And any situation where you find yourself because of COVID-19 and so Beman and no Abim, just go ahead and do what you need to do. And then it's up to your legal representative say, explain your current circumstances and more.
Yo, would the sir uti a GN Radio UK. Many a Fortwell Solicitors, a omo lawyer penny, lawyer Daniel Coy, ne a retreat a year and come on and pay. One more abini a fan a year immigration, asylum, and a year litigation, family law, and the Omodiana Fred Watermore. You be query ya the omo telephone number ebetuja. Once you bet me a friend out, once we be sa question. Some I just say legal matters need the bar. Obia who asem tino. Ube here lawyer to say the GP no so and I'll be here lawyer. Enti Omodiana fa with telephone no one can say busa question. Na lawyer wa hey free education na one mount 10. Na say here so kwa kuhunwa na where the address no so atudwa na wakwa sra wo mo na omotumi aboa into details. Numbers are between afraid way studio lines no 0203 735 8820 and now 0203 286 0185. WhatsApp line also with the voice note bar with the want me and I want me type wa with the send the voice note ne bra na menya de me modiana mean to me and fro so bi so opeso of frey your line no na line no enko into the modian frey WhatsApp line no WhatsApp line is 0778 793 9958 Timmy Shrewa modiana frey WhatsApp line and not lawyer into me ɛngye wo so na deɛ ɛwɔ biara no wɔntumi ɛnyi wa no ɛmfama lawyer aberanteɛ no a wɔka 1 year no okay yɛmfa ne prɛko yɛmfa call ne prɛko hello good morning pacho wodini baby out free welcome to GN Radio UK. Hello.
Yeah, Pacho was a bad program so.
Pacho ye tie pa Pacho wodini baby out free.
Okay, Pacho.
Oh, me dem mention the brow.
Lawyer so on te crowd jinasoma me.
Okay.
Lawyer so on te crowd na kasa ni etie.
Good morning, Dr. Ren.
Good morning.
Pacho, your friend Don Artus. Because I'm free. London tells me.
Yo, etie.
Now, Pacho, my question, my woman, lawyer, and say, my yawa, na, a buyer no. My yawa, na, I really buy a white on mammy 1 year. Now, 1 year no. Obama in the year, you know. Or mommy pressure. Also, open divorce. It in percent, maybe a lawyer say. I'm red pay and I meet him in the I say, per se, you die a year no, ni java. The question was a lawyer.
Yo, lawyer beti enti bomodia na koswa na tie yen why na lawyer enyi wa no emfama wo. Enti eda asese wo frɛ enso.
Repeat the question I'm make a
lawyer osi wa ya aware na aware no na ire no CCA na ire ne so op divorce. Na obasu wo hu sɛ time ben obetimi obetimi a file for divorce.
You see, Diniano ejina the type of aware so the biano na ye treat mo say oye application bia say oye no because wawari EU nia rules ni different. Oye no because wawari British national rules ni different. Intino say wawari EU ni na nipa ne say or pay divorce. Normally no we expect to say aware no age okay for at least 3 years. Say and snap for 3 years na samujaya warrior it will be very difficult say bema no ebetimi a year application for retention of rights na wetimi atwa so etina krom ha say na say nipa na oware no or ye Ghana ni anaso ye British national anaso ye Ghana no quite indefinitely to remain then the rules may are different. And no so waware no na say unyanya we indefinite na aware chai ebemwa the what they'll tell you say so kofie anye saa so dia say akwanya enam so na aware no ebe jaye no if based on the fact say there was domestic violence BTR then it is possible say it me I application am aware indefinite am aware na chroma it depended the type of oba nkrata original so aware no it depend how many years and so on any panel aware but normally no for EU for 3 years for British for the year this a when you win definite and so now wait me aware
we dem was send message you see lawyer we dey nanu ya no mo aware no worry o mo de mo nu ma ko tu mu a wo mo nsa kan nkrata say 1 year kra de nyamba
na ne ho kafo no oye British and also EU
o se ne ho kafo no ye EU ni na ono so onsan so nye Ghana ni but oye EU ni
yes if oye EU ni na say aware no end the 1 year mpo dia then say no ho be kan kakra obenya problems with an inkrata no into no it is something that he needs to be aware of and plan accordingly if Nigeria no EU ni we expect to say yeah, then crater and more now for minimum 3 years. And yes, there will be no problems.
Na just say when a buy CC are working, when an antenna for 3 years, they are not just any na subayeshi.
Na subayeshi, not just say home office for because so coffee. And also say update different way option be ever or the alternative be back out with me so at the it's not chrome has say For instance, if CCR no obana or any war no on in a jai, na nyame na dom na oshia oba foforo a obetimi quickly no akọ ware or no na wejina or no so edi nyame nkrata. If obana on in a jai no on in a jai na omu fi but ebia nyame na dom no nyobi ewo ba obetimi jina sa akola no so edi nyame nkrata. If otimi nya obi na ọba work permit for person sponsor no with ejuma bi mu nso a ɛno nso possible. Internet there may be other options available for ye nua bema no, but it's very very important for him to understand say na warrior na egu sisi a ne de say wentimi anya ho hwe a ebe affecting nkrata.
Lawyer am say I mean the message now dey about no so say engu imo but ọba na man pressure pass so person divorce. This is you know.
Say ni nia no esi hɔ a say egu ye so be ma pressure so so oye we odin ja na che say eboboba.
Yes.
So what me say. Into the most important thing is say oni oba no ebe timi etina say na ma timi actually am anti asia ye adwuma e mo ho anan so say still no insist say obekọ dia. Then so finding alternatives because onya copy contract as they say.
You na if I say Mr. Wa bomodia na fa question brown na new year laws are wo dey ba oba woda no obi mo friend the beautiful pretty pates as dey ode be anu ahye we nya lawyer pa zizi we nya lawyer pa wono wakwadare mu abene to say Fortwell Solicitors. Minia Jack, why here was because good character and a bad character. You know, your lawyer crack committee, good character, bad character.
Bad character.
And just a lawyer, obi tie o CCR no asema wo bisa ne say lawyer mami enkan intentem no say please, my wife is an EU national with settled status in UK. We are making arrangement for me to join her. Please, what are the requirements? Home Office will ask from both sides. I'm listening from Ghana. Greetings to you all. We know OTA free all the way from Ghana. Na area EU ni awoti kuruma. Ono de o Ghana. Na obese o se na yiri beso na area ye mmoase obede ne beba kuruma. Na obese asema wobusa ni nyina ne se requirement no ete saying free one no ene na yiri nyina enchen.
Well, so we are EU ni at this point in time. Na opeso okofa ohunka for efi Ghana eba. Eya na requirements no enye as stringent and enye as difficult say obi oye British. Now let me explain why. One of the major problems that we are British on some form for eba no minimum income threshold, which is 18,600. For Indiana or send a message, at least or peace of mind to understand say even if a year juma 3 hours a day and now a part-time crampona possible say obetimi abefano aba because you don't need some minimum income threshold. But as what we say, obetimi ahwe no. So our backroom has here without any burden on the public funds. Or we seek a crobetimi at the ahwe no. But you share than specify amount of money as a or ban a the here so oye juma. Any juma be oye biano. Okay. The second thing I share. There was our application also no accommodation. Say you be worry if you Ghana eba and if na one oyire mo better. If more accommodation sorted out, you've met one of the requirements. Then we also have to show say our arena mo kasama arena genuine and it's a subsistent into communication. Yeah, and go they communicate with their partners, but they don't keep the records. In this situation, very, very important to understand, say, when Timian evidence of communication now, it will be difficult for you to prove, say, our edimu. Into more communication, be a mobile piano, try and keep records. One of the most easiest way of keeping or tracking those communication evidence, WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp messages, so we are being deleting your system, so keep it because if it's me, you use at the abo application. We also need to show say ampama ware. You know, you'll be surprised. You'll be always say na say me see my worry, but evidence or the beba no be na enya awaria edim obi ho no akọ where they never sorry them. I sorry no crap okoye no crap no they are not qualified to do to issue the right papers. But now sorry now actual marriage certificate you or more letterhead so no more the amano. And no emfa. You'll be surprised how many people will come to you say waware but be share the document no enye genuine aware and as enye genuine documents are efi the right appropriate courts are say onya efi honum marriage certificate is very very important. You need that marriage certificate and also to be able to establish say pama ware. You need to also show say nipa na wo ware no you have met before. Obi obeka say oh my ware me share with my ware be share no krampo na ne yire no hu ni da. And it happens. Ebia ohunu Facebook so that we are warren. In a one man the bush for the sack or man the bush for say but a banner as a family permit application in there. Home of it who say ampa or ban work huni embassy or ban you didn't even see plane money didn't baby do have a hun airport so we drain job ban or there you want to make sure that you've seen the person and the person is a real person you want to marry. In your evidence, just how we deny them. A war you need to provide those documents. No, this me back. Okay, say, oh my worry me. Can say more pictures. See there, you need picture. How do you show what worry you in? A very, 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 very important. Say you have evidence of meeting your partner and having some pictures be in place. Once you have all those things in place, you are good to go with your application. Or send a message in if you Ghana. The good thing is we don't really need much from him. Ghana our passport. So our passport there we are good to go. The most important thing is on track and throw our application. So I have seen people obi ohonoma ebiana oti krom ha say in a okofie and as obi ohonoma we okoye application in the past in ye refusing a visa no in a obi abeshia na kwako ware no or your application na ye hia hwe won ho de hia won ho an say obeka no kre no akotwa ntro say menya application da mintu kwan da menya say da etimi enkofo bebre form because when that happens sir good character asem na ye kan ho asem no me actual and then you actually say oh suitable for service into any refuse to application into for the person back home the credit is all we need from you and your passport and you are good to go.
Let's just say good character if you tell a lie it will entangle yourself and will bring a lot of problem. And so the truth will only set you free. Lawyer, young ko Facebook na yen share yen nuanu mo mabe join ye no wo mu doso yen mu bobo mu din ni bi Frank ye da se wo hwe yen sanso na ye Ezekiel so ye da se wo hwe yen Dina na Daniela Santos so ye da se am say obi so frɛ yen bobode an yen fa ne tentem. Hello, welcome to GN Radio UK. We din be free.
Oh, hello. Mediane Kodupra na me wa question ba kwa beso busa lawyer.
Yo Kodumpa choma nenko lawyer ti.
Lawyer, me so say wo British citizenship na wo ba e wo fi na wo kofana ba cho status be na obinya. Masaman na say minim how process is here as minim how say meet my application or I meet my but I'm just thinking it was when the man say me who and then the necessary steps to take. Madam Asebe.
No but so what did you kind no?
But you repeat kakra mama why when
yeah sisu bi na ma voice enkoso kakra.
We need the telephone there mente crowd. Who repeat me akebe me de
hello
yeah
Pacho anam say Pacho anam say me British citizen na me pan e wo fi na pese me kofa ne ban pese me hu say me kofa na status be na me man
yo I mean lawyer be you want to koso na tie why
Pacho
yo lawyer, osi oye British citizen na opese okofa ne baba na opese obisa se okofa ne ba status be na ne ba ne benya.
So we are British citizen. The first question I may be sound is say, "Wobano owo answer na wonya British citizenship, and answer na wo citizenship no answer na wo akwala no." Two very very key question. I mean, yanka you be say in your no because I know be determine answer me the bema no. Say owo ne bano answer na onya ne British citizenship. Then you bet me a application for indefinite leave to enter. Their man or bar or the indefinite leave to enter no in the baby I say ukra afebor na wodi ura kronim. However, no or onyan krata onyan British citizenship no and so na all ne ba ne dia na nkofo bebre enim by it me ye British passport application for enkwala a omofie and so no ma ba krom ha say British passport and so na ba mesrel. Just give us a shout, contact us, everything you have, wow, I'm a British passport, I'm a Aqualament, all bano, na Ukraine British passport. Ninya dependent time, you bema ninya British naturalization.
Yo, lawyer, I'm say a friend is saying, yeah, Obi so sending messages here, and I'm making kind mouse here. Or no, Nidia, or Nidia, say, or say, I say, hello, please, good morning. I say, can you please ask a lawyer that I am an EU national? I came here not long. I just started working and I don't have 6 months pay slip. Is it possible for me to make an application for my husband in Ghana to join me? Do I have to inquire the £1,800 a year, or can I make an application? Said the person who sending in say oba ye nche afin wa sha ase wo ye adwuma obeso ko fa ne ho kafo nso eba emsa wo ede no obeso hu say the sika nso nya ndu 1008 no betimi still akoso akoye application ana.
Yes, first and foremost, you need requirement via say we get 1,800 a year, 18,600 a year for one more British passport, and also one Ukraine definitely perform. For EU national, only here's our requirement, yeah, for EU national, also, you here 6 months pay slip, you here 6 months bank statement. The most important thing is that we Juma. It is a we Juma. Why Juma for 2 months? Why Juma for 3 months? Ground pona. Wait me ako fa ho kan for aba. Into so we EU national na person ko fa ho kan for eba. Just any job is good enough. Into no wait me go ahead. No akoye pa job intina se. Obeya ye in term before nyama ebesesa. Into no ye nyana o send a message. Just take the necessary steps and bring your wife here.
With ye nyana na wo frame me ewo ye number na end 8820 no. Which means we frame me ewo ye WhatsApp line no. 0778 793 9958 077 8793 9958 na fa o question bra Mr. wa fa che na lawyer wa ha mema wo mere untime hye da ma wo mere na we bisa o question no enti bomodi ana fa bra lawyer obi se me bisa o say abranti a o send free Ghana message no o say mo wo office e wo Ghana na me fa question we so ensa entwa so ensa ma was a morning lawyer and host. Can we know if there are any updates on court first tier immigration, and if I may ask a lawyer, if I may ask this, if you have an appeal on court and after you send the e-bundles, how many weeks does it take to get the date for hearing? Thanks a lot for your weekly education.
Well, for court updates, I know, say, as at yesterday, there were a number of courts now they've opened more courts to start face-to-face hearings, even though more are supposed to observe social distancing rules, but a lot more courts had opened as of yesterday. But I must also say, a lot of court hearings are going over the phone, and I say it should be BFN BT me. Most court hearings are taking place at Crown. We have a few court hearings at Yankasa. Court hearings they are going on as normal, even though over the phone. I must also say, if what survey documents via the portal now. You just have to wait because at the moment, you need any strict timelines. You just have to simply wait. A bit more air train say time. I'm check it for file now. I'm check it the nature of the case now. They believe say face to face and an oral hearing will be the appropriate forum to dispose of your case into every normal debate chain to wait and see say nyema better. If you are so our case, now it can be done without remotely, without you having to be in court face to face. And for such cases, they are going ahead to hear them. Into obian in the case different, but I would say a lot of cases are going on smoothly.
Yo, yes, mo share YouTube no, your channel no, GN Radio UK. O share ya bomo na subscribe my yen. Why? Adoma na ewo no odi emi aso enti no abrin bia na said lawyer ba pepepa na ya notify wo send ya betimi agi your messages no any education any lawyer wo no. Na share nso ma menso say lawyer nya immigration sem nko ando omo di o omo di ensem no de omo di bebre enti misrewa bobodi a na me de one number ebetudwa lawyer Dan Quell ana no ankasa yene na edwetwe nkomo ena no pay no eno nti no mesrewa no hye nso mame say lawyer wo mo practices no edoso na lawyer we answer Ghana de no say mo office wo Ghana no
oh there be you need office wo Ghana at this stage but I must add say there were a lot of clients in Ghana we don't necessarily need a physical office Ghana to be able to assist people or war a honor. Say Ghana now person we hear any form of application ever UK we are able to assist you without necessarily having to be in Ghana. Yabwa amount for be especially your visitors visa our mobile has say I refuse your more you are challenging a lot of those decisions. For any form of any reason, you challenge it.
Lawyer, we dey so boduem kakra na yemfa call we. Hello, welcome caller.
Dr. Rain.
Hello, good morning. Welcome GN Radio UK.
Yeah. Good morning, Lawyer Dankwe. Good morning. But me send a message about WhatsApp no so but na anye clear ma lawyer and tintin can me person can me frame na me Mrs. Subi Mpacho doctor.
Yo, ekwan da hold. Unti na yewa.
Mpacho yo, Doctor Mpacho, me hold resident card as a relative of an EU national. Na my application move ko settlement scheme no so, but my 5 months in decision mine. But me my partner awo akwa na British, but as in town kakra by in term. And akwa na womenche, but kambesenka may apply for child benefit and as a child tax credit man. Minimum say or qualified. They almost all British. They almost all be qualified. But me no. My question they say me apply man no so qualified no unya. Now in future me kwe me indefinite na and as a British citizenship na ebe affect me na. And I me card I no so me resident card no so yentre so no recourse no because EU route no. Then no me first question no. And but the second question is so my relative na men ye EU national no me dependent want no so entiana o send me zika ba my account but my question is say menya part time job one me ba be na number say me go say pay no e ko fa sa my account ma me cousin send this to me na e be affect me in future for indefinite na because ya no mo say o say scan be to man you go say ska bia be ka ho but na me nim say e be ka ho a e be problem as any problem o say ono nko sika na fam. That's the question. I'm a person who name you Mr. Krampacho, doctor. The lawyer bit my boy and Kabemede.
Yo, yeah, that's it. We did a 12 lawyer and Timothy Koswa T. Na share videos no so na lawyer answer ma. Why?
But doctor.
Yo, yes,
that's it.
Yes, that's
okay. You bema na or send a message na. You bema na so bad, but man, voice Bema, okay, me see a few of them, and from my understanding, or you're a family member of an EU national, okay,
yes,
you never found by as a dependent, na unyan and krata. However, no, while it baby, okay, or pesanka or koji benefits. The question is it possible? possible say obey application for some benefits, but what you need to understand is say so would G benefit ama obi akwala bia very important sa akwala no one the child is living with you in the same household. You know, my question would be say only akwala no in the same house and as akwala no e won ne ma menchen e wo baby no person for the benefit
also the akwala neti e wo fie baako.
Or the akwala neti e wo fie baako mu dia then it possible say obetimi aye sa application no I just have benefits in it because there's no restriction say as a family member of EU national no obeji benefits. The second question is say or a dependent na say because we're dependent, nipa na obefa no from time to time or the sika account ma the account and or the gum. Look, if you don't want to complicate things, just put it in the same bank account. At due time I'll be application, it will be up to you to explain what has gone on. Possible say we are dependent now so will be the member of your household. The most crucial point Yeniana obisa sa question you need to understand and say only nipa na obefa na eba krom ha say no they need to be in the same house, they need to be in the same property. Ne bana oji benefit amano no so ono nso ewo efie hobby. If onya movie fifie ho na okọ baby for fraud dia then ebe affecting in krata into no so no he needs to be aware of it. Sa dependency rules no it can be very, very complicated for people whenever they move out of the accommodation of Nipana Obefa and Efi Ghana Ebaye into the Misro, no matter what the reason is, make sure say at all times you maintain your address with that same household, and yes, at time no so obey your application for indefinite leave to remain, and as a kind of settled status, waiting me any problems.
Yo lawyer ebeda say na mama main kind a message be na main welcome one more share on Facebook no and we said Derek or say adjoining Docas and so adjoining Lawrence and so adjoining sounds na Covenant Grace and so adjoining na Papa Kwame adjoining na on joining and or the question about the question is say or say please when you use the old system to acquire stay through EU spouse application, how many years will you be given? The question say be old system and one more 5 year what the stay now besides say how many years and ye de be mawo na me ka was say wa wo hwe so no your YouTube channel no so e will live into no ukọ ho abetimi a subscribe into anytime bia every Tuesday bia ye lawyer ebetwetwe nkomo no we will send you'll be the first person ebe send you notification that just adomo no man kpan na why you ready na watena ho na ye lawyer atwetwe nkomo.
Well, say we use old system no at the year application about 1 year up to time at UK EBFI EU anymore completely. And there's no need say unya kaya obey transfer kaya na no application for pre-settled status now we now 5 years. Almost year no before Brexit time almost 5 years, which is there already. We always advise them say 5 years the ground important say year application for pre-settled status. We're moving from old scheme because at the end of the day, we are expecting say more old system no soon move it to the new system. Internet amount 1 year, amount 6 months, so any amount of visa be at the amount piano. You need to understand say it's in your own interest say shift it from our old system no about new system so go ahead and make that application and get it at this very moment we even tell a lot of people say just make an application using the new system now in now 5 years straightforward. It just says some people are struggling with app system or online identity. So people are struggling with that. Internet non person who use new system no more the we use old system no more the application. But we use old system no say the decision in my grandpa. So what TS say you need to go ahead and make an application and switch to the new system. And yes, sir, you fee EU ni mo pe one so one share no be illegal unless it's a home office for Sunday another guidance and I say another set of rules ever say or my extended almost stay, which without say it will happen. But if that happens, that will be a different story. But at this very moment, the advice I'd be my listeners and they say, but more they not switch it to the new system, and none of wow.
Joe lawyer we the answer na ebe kono say na obi ebusa say say asylum seekers no I say lockdown iba I so wo ho chichire wo mo dodo na na yeso wo ba na wo mo besensan ene nuoma na say emere nti no we the be to kakra na next week no ana so be so answer so a na afi nso maami bi nso ne dia ode aba ne say ono wa ha na wo say oni ne kunu divorce ne kunu no wo Ghana na nanko bisa se ekwan be nso ananko betumi afa betumi start divorce nti no your time no nti no ye be yes nti no ye be nti no lawyer ne kwakra nso anse ye be ma ye musu no
Okay, mami answer me briefly. There will be a question regarding Nick Nuna or Ghana. No, the question I maybe say on any no omo last address omo me no it's na boom no ewe hefa. If omo last address on any no it's na e boom no UK has say there, then it is possible say you bet me I divorce no ewe has say e dia mano. If the last address on any no it's na ewe Ghana there, then so pe lawyer ewo Ghana na oye divorce no ewo Ghana emano ye nua ba ko no so bisa about asylum seekers ayeti omo no. Yes, they may be detaining people, but they detaining in this crisis and during this period na say open so ye bail application we are still available say bail application among you if detention center. We've done it for a lot of people ye omo during this period no MIA release omo into no bia actually bia na possible say obey application for bail na ye be release to conclude remember it for action so say your number no ewo omo on Facebook na ewo omo tie on radio so no be sure so the better dra answer na ya call obetimi afre anytime obia ye free consultation any situation bia oba ye obehu ye nkan cho se betia sika answer na ye no akasa. We will go through your case, if we can help you, we will let you know. Yetimi mboa ebetimi ama wehu answer na you instruct us and pay us to do anything for you. COVID-19, we are open as normal, even though we are observing social distancing rules into obey an officer your cubicle and I say your baby waiting it no akasa. We have glass portals waiting no akasa without having any face-to-face interaction. We mra untimi enya yare bi wa ha ana obi nso ema yare until we are open as normal. Open so without coming to see us physically. So you bet me a consultation over Zoom, you bet me a consultation over Skype, WhatsApp video call, and also available. Open so the documents and so your facilities for how it's me documents and without seeing any person and without being in contact with any person. And the facilities are there. We are ready to serve the community. Obia weti and bia and ebia near danase near that so say we find our program so enanofe
yo lawyer we dey asida piece ne de ma twedi ampo na we ane de ama wankasa say wetumi enyamre na wetumi answer questions no na mom no mamenka etiefo say Fortwell Solicitors and ye ne omo twetwe enkomo no. Fortwell Solicitors ye omo areas of practice no eno webobo so ade amohu ebi immigration, ebi asylum, ebi nationality law, ebi family divorce and children laws no ni nyina no omo so ebo employment laws so omo boa papa na just say Fortwell Solicitors de omo beni papa ntibistrewa bomodian say obe contact wo omo. So be contact womu a mamenkai will say omo address send etie Fortwell Solicitors omo unit 1 ground floor Katrina House 50A Clarendon Road Hornsey London postcode here N80DJ N80DJ and then phone numbers so I'll from Abribiano Womo Momodiana fa pen and paper natural telephone numbers 020 3325 7030. I mean CSUBM 020 3325 7030 o Ghana na so person ofra na wo yi 0 ne free wo na why ne plus 44 na wo the numbers aka no ahye so sanso na wo mo 24-hour service line no enie 075 48 701 011 075 48 701 011 fax nso betimi afax wo mo 020 88 08 1346 020 88 08 1346 nti bomodia na channel so say every Tuesday bia e benada bia no ebo no do 10 a.m. British time, Greenwich Meridian time, and our Ghana between can say Greenwich Meridian time. Now Dr. Ren, now many lawyer Dan Koi yatna say na yatwetwe enkomo efa emremu nyina. Yada ma se mutie na yakramo. Nyame adom so a echina nso political current affairs issues no de nyina nso ebebremo